Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new Financial Eagles trading session. Hello, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone.
Tonight, before we start, I will make it not too long because we will start in 1 hour the monthly sessions that Abdullah will be doing or giving for the people who have the 6 months and the 12 months membership. The first time it's going to be for everyone because we want everyone to see the value that will be shared and you will get more knowledge about how things will be running. But after that, it's gonna be exclusively for the 6 months and the 1 year membership because with these memberships, we know that people are more dedicated to learning, to improving, and of course, like because only serious people will plan for at least like a 1 year, like a long-term goal in order to reach it. Okay, so I wanted to share this. Miguel, if you want to start.
Yes, yalla, I will start. Okay, guys, so let's start with the US 30. Okay, as you can see, we pushed this bullish. That was like great flows over this area. It pushed it. We was talking about it. It pushed, look at this open. Like it has like a push down, and then like that's a great open for the New York session, pre-New York. And that was a big push again. That was a big break for the swing. You wait always to take it as daily. You need to wait this close. Okay, that's a swing trade. Then you take it over this like over like the break of this the same candle, the previous, and it's gonna be the previous candle. Okay, so that was yesterday trade. It give like the push on the news, like great push. That's 200 pips. Okay, so for now, this candle, I'm not gonna take any buys over here again. Like I need a retracement as this one we was like talking about. One candle daily and Dow, it's great to continue with it. Okay, so we will wait for sure a retracement. I will wait a retracement before taking any buys. Okay, let's go to the 4 hours. Okay, I need a bigger retracement. Even here, we have like strong areas over this base. So I need a retracement. I need a better retracement. And then continuing with the trend, look at the 4 hours. Okay, a big push, a retracement on the 4 hours. You take it, that's your opportunity to take it. That's your stop loss. That's 127 pips stop loss. It did like 300 pips almost. Okay, so let's see. Today it might push even now. We will see the FOMC. It might do like a huge impact. It might do nothing. So like it's been 2 times. It passed like it was a huge impact on the FOMC. So let's see today how the push will be. And tomorrow we continue with the push. Okay, we will see how. If it pushed down today and then you saw like a reversal, you catch it as intraday as the reversal and you continue with it, you leave runners. Plus, if you saw a push down, okay, a retracement, and then breaking back down, that's where you continue with the push of the news. Okay, it depends how the news, but not at the same time because you need to see the news most of the time. It do it like it do the push and then it reverse all the trend. So take confirmations and go with the trend. Okay. So that's a strong area over here. It can be sold, but for sure we will see. It might break it, but it can be sold and start securing on those areas. Here we have a strong even area. It's gonna be like 30 pips. And then we go with it. That's like clean traffic over here, but like it's like 90 pips, 80 pips. Okay, so we will see over this area. Okay, not one way. Be careful. Don't take it one way, especially now with the news. It might even go break this and continue to push up. Okay, so for now, I will wait to see a better retracement to go with the trend because the sell, I need more confirmation to be taking sells. Okay. So I need a good confirmation as a push down, even doing like if you can see over here, low, higher, low, higher, low. Okay. Like I need a push and then higher highs even. Like I need a new higher high. Okay. So this is it for the assert. You will wait to see how now the news will be like it tool the effect. Okay, the gold working slow but like perfectly technically. Okay, so for the gold over here, look at this area, the one we broke that was a great area, and now it's like close to it. It's retesting on this area. So let's see even again the news. Okay, you can start taking it with on this area like with the big fill and going up with it. That's like oof, that's 150. So that's big target. Okay, for sure you will be securing with it. So let's see. If the news didn't do a huge impact and stayed over this area, and then again breaking here, this area, look, I will put so you know the numbers. 2,774, correct. But for sure not one way, not taking it, breaking. Okay. As for the sell, I need this break again. But I need a break and a retest on it, not one way even. Okay, let it push, even if it pushed. I need a push and I need a new lower high for me. Okay, and then you go with it. One way, if you want to take it one way, it's gonna be like as a scalp taking it, okay? So for now, let's wait for this first. That's a strong one for the buy over here, and you will be securing over this area because it might even hit it and push down. So that's for sure you will be securing all the way to this area. Okay, so let's wait for this. If technically this candle closed over here, the new candle opened wick down, and then you saw a good volume with it pushing, breaking, it's gonna be like amazing. Okay, and that's like I will wait for this area. There's no like as a swing to be taking it. I need a retracement, not one daily candle pushing from here, breaking. I don't take it. Okay. I need a push, I need a retracement, and then I need a push down to take it. Because bullish trend, as you can see. Okay, we might form new higher high, like new historical highs. Okay, so this is for gold. We go for the euro. Okay, the euro, as you can see, it retraced. It did like the push, it retraced. That was like a news effect. It opened no wick and then pushed. So let's see if it push from this area again and breaking. And the euro, I don't take it from here. That's beautiful to be taking it. Like I take it on the Dow, yes, in this form, but the euro is slow, so I don't. I wait like to break this high. Yeah, even that's strong area. So I need the break of this area to be taking it as swing. Okay, here we might be forming like flag even, and then breaking back down this area, we might have like a sell, a good sell. Okay, so for the sell as here, I need one. I'm not even like you go 4 hours. Always follow it on the like daily swing. You go for the 4 hours. Okay, look at this push, the retracement, a push. We will see now. It might continue bullish, go up, but to confirm it, I need a break. I need on the 4 hours to be retesting, retracing. Okay, and then a push down as a retest on this. We go with it. Okay, that's how you enter. That's how I enter, honestly. Okay, to take impulse on the daily and euro, uh, it's not, I don't love it. Okay, always wait a retracement. One way, it's gonna be risky. Okay, so this is it for the euro. The break of this high, I will be watching it. over here, and this for the sell. Okay, we go for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, even on the daily, look at this break, guys. We talked about this break. It retraced on this trend and then it pushed and then it retraced again and pushed. So now we're consolidating. We will see to like if we break this area. Oh, okay, if we break this area, it's gonna be like 97,500. We might have like a push from this area, 92 again. Okay, we might consolidate in this area. And even we might from here, if the FOMC made an impact and break this area, it's gonna have a push. It's gonna have a great push. Like breaking this trend. Look at this trend. That's a daily trend. Okay, that's 4-hour trend. One hit second. Look at this, how many times? Look at this. So even the break here, it can be like it can start from this area, like 104, and continue, especially like breaking 104, 500, like 500. We will see the push. But breaking this area, that's gonna be great. Again, it's working technically, guys. From the bottom, you're following it as trends. Trend line, a push. Trend lines, like it's great. So let's see this break. We might push again to 107 to 108. And if we broke even the last high, it will do like new highs. Okay. So I'm not into sells over this area unless we break here. This, but with not one way for sure. Okay. Because we might consolidate here. Let's see. Okay. So this is it for me. You go for Joseph.
Hello everyone. Let's move to the GBP JPY. Okay, so on weekly time frame, after we hit last week, this strong trend line and reject up, this week is still is very low volume consolidating in this two area. We'll see it on our time frame. It might be this week forming now. It opened with a gap, close it as if it opened without a wick, and now it might be making a wick down, retesting this trend line to continue more up. So breaking on the higher time frame, breaking the previous week high, it might be good opportunity to buy with a clean traffic here, almost 370 pips. We will see it after almost 2 hours. We have FOMC, how the daily candle will close to see tomorrow how we can take trades. Look, last straight candle, daily candle, almost in the same place. Wick up, wick down, and closing in the same range. Not a big move after all this push up. Now it's consolidating. So we have to wait to see breaking this key level here. It might be good opportunity to continue up, or if it closes tonight below this trend line, it might continue down more. On the 4 hours, we have those two trend on the 4 hour. It broke it earlier today, and then going back up, retesting it, not continue down. So we have first to wait to FOMC to see how the volume will be. Look how it's consolidating between this resistance and this support area. Even in a small range, this support and this resistance, breaking it and going back up. So we don't have a clear direction now until we're breaking this level, the 94.7 almost, or breaking down the 192.10. We have to wait to see what the market will give us and how the volume will be to take a clear trade and better trade. So mainly that's it for me. Moving now to Lama.
Okay, I will. Muhammad, do you like to share?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm gonna explain gold what's going to happen today. I'm just expecting gold to make today highs and break these levels on news. Okay, what I'm looking for this trade is I think there is a support over here, and this is our resistance. Breaking of this support and resistance, we can look for buys. We can see same as it is on 4-hour time frame. Breaking of this level, we can look for buys till 2790, right? Okay, this is what I'm looking for today. Why I am looking for buys for today is actually news Trump President Trump has suggested to lower the interest rate because of inflation. If they're going to talk about inflations, price gold can pump to upside. Let's see what happens. I'm just looking for buys breaking of this 271, 2771, and sells are 2733. Only for news trading. Apart from news, I am just looking for no. I will look for news for now. Let's see tomorrow what happens. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Muhammad. I will share about the GBP USD and the USD CAD. Okay, so for the GBP USD, to be honest, that's why I get out of the trade because the volume is very low. And today we had the governor of the bank governor, Andrew Bailey. He had a speech. So here, Governor Bailey. I wasn't very convinced, even though like the trade was very beautiful, but the volume was not helping me. I kept it overnight for today. It went for 20 pips around this number. Like someone texted me and he told me, Lama, I want to keep the trade. I told him, keep the trade, just secure on 20 pips and put your stop loss on entry. So he did. He made like around 20 pips. Okay. And then the trade stopped. For the GBP USD, I am more convinced of the wave 4 that will happen. Of course, I'm going to keep the same study. The buy opportunity will be breaking here, this resistance area. By this way, we are breaking the structure. You see here, it is reversing and going down. So if it breaks up, it's like a break of this reversal and it will continue this like this trend. Let me show you. Oops, what happened? Oh, wait. Like this, it's better. You see, we will be going up again. So that's why this area is critical, especially with a low volume, because the volume will be either pushing with me, or if it was slow, like it's gonna stagnate. On the lower time frame, there's no like opportunities. If you see the candles are getting like the same, they are staying, sorry, in the same place. We see small candles also happening. So let's see tomorrow, especially now after the news on the US dollar or the statement that will happen, that will maybe move a little bit the market. For the USD CAD, I noticed also today we had news on the Canadian dollar that made also the USD go up, like after stagnating for a period now. So it has been since December that it got into the stagnation. I can say that also the politics are affecting the Canadian dollar. Okay, so hopefully it will break out of the stagnation soon. I can see here through the indicators that they are like breaking a little bit, but of course I have to wait here and see like the break of this resistance. I will keep also the same buy and the same sell. So nothing to add, nothing to change. I will move to Lydia.
Good evening, everyone. Okay, so for silver, I'll start with the daily time frame. As you can see here, after this push up, we retraced like a bit, and then it made like yesterday a reversal candle, and today it broke this and moving up. I wasn't too confident to take it from here, like it's a bit risky. I'm more confident to break all these resistance, like here it's a very strong key level. So let's see the FOMC, how the market will be reacting tonight. And if it did like all this push up again, I'll be waiting tomorrow a little retracement down before I execute the buy. As for the 4 hours, still I don't like to trade in these small ranges, but this was like a good scalp from here. And this one too, like the break of this one after it retested the trend line and then it went all the way up. As for the Elliott waves, as I mentioned last week, I'm looking forward for the completion of wave B, this push up. So this is why like I'm more into buys than into sells. But in case the market like went down all the way, and I'll be executing a buy over this support after breaking this support, like closing below it, retesting above, and then going down, I'll be executing the sell from here. Mainly, this is all for silver. Thank you.
Thank you, Lydia. So I will leave now the floor for you to ask your questions or